Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is the new year, so I wanted to try some new things. One of those things being glitter. I'm not really the biggest fan of loose glitter. It gets everywhere, the texture can be weird. I'm not really a fan of it, but I wanted to get this look right out of the way and just do it first. So I tried glitter tears today. They could be better, they could be worse. I also tried blue lipstick today. I am actually kind of happy with it. So if you want to know how I created this look today, then keep on watching. First, like usual, I'm going to prime my eyes with my M173 brush and my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. First, on an M124 brush, I'm going to pick up a turquoise color from the Lauren Cosmetics Rainbow Deluxe eyeshadow palette. With this, I'm going to start packing it in the inner corner of my eyelid. Now, right next to it, I'm going to pick up the green and add that on top just to make it more of a turquoise color. Now with that same brush, I'm going to pick up Playground from the Morphe X James Charles palette and blend that in with that light blue. Now I'm going to pick up the darker purple from that same palette using that same brush on the outer corner and wing this out. Going to pick up Playground and blend them together. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, I finished off the eyes and added some lashes, so now let's move on to the face. First, I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now I'm going to apply just a light layer of my ColourPop No Filter foundation today. Now I'm going to blend this out using my Morphe M439 brush. Now I'm going to highlight the highest areas of my face with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I'm going to blend this out with my Morphe M173 brush. Now with my Morphe E48 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05, I'm going to set everywhere that we just concealed. Now with my Morphe M527 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder, I'm going to set the rest of my face. Alright, I'm going to contour using my Morphe E4 brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. Now for blush, like usual, I'm going to use my ColourPop Super Shock blush in the shade Holiday on my Morphe M405 brush. For highlight, I'm going to pick up Marshmallow and Starburst from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit on my Morphe M501 brush. I'm going to use this mixture to highlight my nose, cupid's bow, inner corner, and brow bone as well. Now I'm going to zoom you in so we can get started on the lower lash line. I'm going to take my Morphe M250-1 brush and my BH Cosmetics White Concealer and run that on my waterline. Now on the lower lash line, I'm very lightly going to apply the purple, blue, and that turquoise color on my lash line. Now I'm going to apply some of the NYX glitter glue and make the tears. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Disco from the JolieBeautyBomb.com palette and put that over the glitter glue. Going to brush off the excess as best that I can. I'm going to do this to the other eye and I will be right back. Alright, going back in with that white concealer, I'm going to trace around all of the tears, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to set them all with the corresponding eyeshadow. So over here, I'm going to set them with purple, then going into blue, and then that light turquoise color. Now I'm going to take my contour color and another flat brush and just go underneath all of the drips to create some shadows. Okay, I'm not sure what to do for lips. I'm torn between Breakfast at Tiffany's by Jeffree Star or I'm Royalty by Jeffree Star. I'm not really sure. I usually go for a dark lip, but at the same time I never really do a light lip, so it's like, I'm conflicted. I think I'm going to do Blue Velvet by Jeffree Star. Oh yes, this is the color. Have a hair color called Blue Velvet in my hair right now, and I'm wearing lipstick called Blue Velvet. Wow, look at that. Alright, I'm going to do my hair, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!